the heat didn't really go as planned, but it went in our favor. We made finals, and I was super excited about it. Guys, making finals here is always, and I say always, hard. This is not easy making the finals at Meltdown, and every time you make it here, it feels like a goddamn accomplishment. So we made finals, but at a horrible cost. As you can tell, the bumper's on like a 22-degree angle, and this frame rail right here has decided just to go. So front's gonna need a lot of 9-wire for finals, but the back, let me tell you guys about the back. This is the first time I've gone through a derby and I haven't had the fenders damaged. Door, don't look at this. Don't look at that, that's okay. But if you take a look at the back, buddy, this is a game plan here. What we wanted to do happened. The frame bent right at her notches, went up, and then it went down right where the bumper brackets end. So now we can start 9-wiring the shit out of this. And we do have one bent trailing arm. I did bring spares. I'm probably gonna change it. But honestly, guys, we made finals. It was a pretty hard heat. When it came down to 6, I felt like I needed to turn it up a bit, and I did. And I'm proud. You know what? In the past, I came down here and I drove ways that I didn't want to drive. I drove very sensible and smart and picked my shots and just kind of dilly-daddled around, and I was super unhappy. I didn't make finals. I went into Concy and I didn't do very good in Concy. But I've changed up my game plans. I drive the way I want. I don't drive the way that I think I need to, that I see on TV and other derbies when people are just out there for fun. I go out there and I have fun, and I'm super happy. I feel more proud of myself derbying the way I wanted derby. And the amount of people that came up to me and gave me a fist bump or a high five or just wanted their photo with me afterwards says that I must be doing something right. So we're gonna get this thing fixed, and we are finals bound. No Concy. That is, was that 2 or 3 years? That's 3 years in a row with no Concy. And the Concy here is not nice. Guys, everything that goes into the Concy dies a horrible, horrible death. So there's no Mad Dogs in the heat, and I think I still drove aggressively enough to be up there, you know what I mean? But no, now we just got to fix this piece of junk. But we're going to be watching some of the derby action and trying to film it here for you. So thanks for watching, guys. We're going to get some building and fixing going. Take care.